Hi guys and welcome back. I'll show you guys how you can create this rectangular halftone pattern in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program. So there will be a thicker rectangle and then it will be duplicated, and the duplications as they go to the right side will be thinner. So click on the rectangle tool, make sure that it's black and there's no outlines, and then you simply just, create a thick rectangle just like this. And then at the right, you simply create a thinner rectangle. Just like this, for example. Make it really thin. And then when you're done, select these rectangles, Object, Blend, Make. That's it. Pretty easy, isn't it? You can adjust the size so that, it fits with the artboard. Just like so. Fancy, isn't it? Pretty easy. A thicker rectangle has been blended with this thinner rectangle to form this pattern with, decreasing size of the rectangles as they go to the right, just like this. Fancy for flat designs, modern flat designs that actually incorporates these lines, this rectangle kind of pattern. That's how you can create this rectangular halftone pattern in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.